Good morning, students. We came back again in our English class to enjoy our day. So, students, today we will have the reader part and we will read a story, very interesting story. This is the name of your book. So, let's start. So, Unit 4, the name of your story is A Little Fish Story. Now students, see, this is an image of little fish. Little fish को हिंदी में छोटी मछली कहते हैं. Today we will read story on this little fish. So, when we will read the story, we will have this word, mesh. See the image of mesh. What do you see? क्या समझ में आ रहा है इससे? Yes, it's a kind of net, a type of net. It is made of thread, see, or it can be made of anything. इसको हिंदी में जाल बोलते हैं, जिससे मछली पकड़ते हैं. Okay? Now, our next word we will come through in the lesson is school of fish. Now students, see the image. This is a collective noun. When fish moves all together, that is called school of fish. So now we will begin our story. Read. Name of the story is A Little Fish Story. Students, I will read the lesson. Afterwards, you will read the lesson from your book. Let's start. There are a great many million fish in the seas, but this story is about just one of them, and a very small one at that. Now students, this is a story of a little fish. Great million fish. Million means thousands or thousands, many. There are many things in the sea. Sea means samudra. So, in that, we will read the story about a little fish. Now, this little fish had everything in the seas to make him contented. This is a new word. Contented means satisfied. Satisfied, but he was not happy. Who was not happy? The little fish. The little fish has everything in the sea, but it was not happy. Why? You will laugh. Laugh means hasna. When I tell you why he was not. Means when we will read this story, students, you will laugh. Why this little fish was not happy? He was unhappy. He means the fish. Because वो खुश नहीं था. Unhappy means not happy. खुश नहीं होना. Because he was so very small. Why he was not happy? Because he was very small. वो बहुत छोटा था. That's why the little fish was not happy. It is very hard to be such a little mite of a fish. Little mite. Mite here means woodworm. घुन होता है ना, जो लकड़ी में लग जाता है. So he thinks that though he is little, so he is like a ghun. It's a woodworm. He would say over and over again, means continuously. बार बार वो अपने आप को बोलता था. If I were only larger, I means the fish, how much happier I could be. Means the fish always says to himself that if I will be large, अगर वो मैं बड़ा होता, how much happier I could be, then I will be the happiest one. वो बड़ा होना चाहता था. He was very unhappy because he was small. And he said it so many times that I think he believed it. Means the fish continuously saying these things, this word that if I were only larger, how much happier I could be. That we have to believe. Believe means, this is also a new word, faith means vishwas. Then what he thinks that if I will be a larger, I will be happy. One day, he was swimming along with the rest of his school. School here means the school of fish. As I have shown you the picture about the school of fish. When fish all together move or swim, that is called school of fish. It is a collective noun, students. And thinking. Thinking means sochna. No doubt, how much more the larger fish had to be thankful for than he, when suddenly, achanak, suddenly means achanak, with no warning. No warning means bina intimate kiye hue. They found themselves in the meshes of a great net. Means one day when the little fish was swimming with the school of fish, he was thinking that they are larger, so they are happy, and he was not happy though because he was so small. Then what happened? Suddenly, achanak, what happened? Without no warning, without any intimation, they found that they were caught in the meshes of a great net. एक बड़े से जाल में उन लोग फंस गए. They themselves found, उनको पता चला. They found that they were caught in a great net. Then what happened? There was much floundering. Yes, this is a new word again. Floundering means struggle to move. Means बहुत मेहनत कर रहे उस नेट से निकलने के लिए. And splashing. Splashing is a kind of noise which hits water. जब हम पानी में कुछ छपाने की आवाज होती है, that is called splashing. It's a sound. So the fish, all the fish were floundering and splashing as the net was drawn up. Drawn up means the net was going up. उन लोग खींच रहे. Now it's an image in your book. You will find that the net was going upside of the water into the sunlight. Means it is a daytime, and just as means all the fish were struggling to move out from the water because they were caught in a big net. Then what happened? Emptied into the boat. Means when the net was emptied into the boat, the smallest fish in the school. Who was the smallest fish? Means this one, the little fish. In the school means not your school, students. It's a school of fish. Means it's a collective noun. When the group all together fish, all the fish were in the net. Then what happened? When when the net was emptied, the smallest fish in the school wriggled through the mesh. Now again the new word, wriggled. Wriggled means twist to move. Means अपने body को टेढ़ा मेढ़ा करके उसमें से निकालना. Wriggle, twist to move through the mesh means the net, jal, and slipped back into the cool clear water. Slipped means fisalna. So what happened? When the smallest, though he was small, so the fish was moving, twisting its body, and it slipped out from the net and slipped into the cool clear water. Means again into the sea. अब what happened? Though he was small, क्योंकि वो छोटा था, तो वो उस नेट से निकल गया. How good it felt means the fish was very happy. It was feeling very happy that it came out of the net and slipped back into the sea. He swam. Swam is the past tense of swim, tärna. Here and there means he was swimming one side to another side because he was feeling good. He was feeling happy though he came out from the net. And everywhere. Everywhere means har jagah. And some of the fish who knew him well all the rest of his life. Some of the fish means the fish who knew him during his life said, क्या बोले? That they never again heard him say that he wished to be anything but a little fish. Now all the other fish who knew that little fish, they said that they never heard, उन्होंने कभी नहीं सुना that the little fish wished. Again the new word wished means desire, इच्छा. Now the little fish was very happy. Now he wished to be anything means it doesn't wants to become a larger one. He is happy to be a little fish, because though he was little, he came out from the net against the other fish, so he wished to be a little fish. Hope students you have understood this chapter with the new words. Now this story is written by Enos B. Comstock. So students, let's have the meanings. Let's have the new words first. Number 1, million. Number 2, floundering. Number 3, meshes. Number 4, haul. 5, contented. 6, splashing. 7, emptied. 8, might. Number 9, warning. Number 10, believed. Now students, you have to write these new words in your copy with neat and clean handwriting. The meanings. Now students, meanings of the new words. Number 1, mesh. I have shown you the picture of mesh. A quantity of fish caught at one time. Haul, trap. Number 3, wriggled, to twist and turn body quickly. Number 4, floundering, to struggle to move. Number 5, splash, a noise of something moving or hitting water. Number 6, contented, means satisfied. Number 7, might, means would warm. Now students, with new words, these meanings also you have to write in your copy with neat handwriting. Now let's have the question answers. Now questions are from your book Reading is Fun. Let's have the question answers. Now you have to write this topic in your copy. Answer the following questions. Number 1. How many fish are there in the sea? There are many million fish in the sea. Number 2. Why was the little fish unhappy? Very easy answer. The little fish was unhappy because he was very small. Number 3. What happened to the fish one day? One day the fish got caught in a big net while swimming in the sea with his friends. Number 4. Why was the fish thankful to be a little fish? The fish was thankful to be a little fish because he was saved only due to his small size. So students, you have to write these answers also in your copy neatly. So students, you will write new words, meanings and answer the following questions in your copy and read the chapter from your book, and the written portion you post it. Have a good day students.